The MEDSIR Oncoclínicas Academy has the purpose of elevating the knowledge in clinical trials. We have several years of experience managing and designing clinical trials, and our aim is to share this knowledge to the different professionals in the field. PIs, sub-PIs, project managers, non-medical staff, etc. For this reason, our team has been developing different programs that covers the different needs that each professional has. We have several cases of success where these clinical trials professionals, after being trained, had a huge impact in the workflow of managing, reporting and monitoring clinical trials at sites.
I'm very happy to be here. Actually, I'm very thankful, and I'm surprised with the excellence of this scientific level that MEDSIR is providing us. We hope us to bring to Brazil clinical research of a high level of excellence and help our patients to have this opportunity. We don't usually have this in Brazil, and I am very positive with this. It was nice to see the practical part and to imagine this in Brazil. So we're creating this lab in Brazil.
I think that these preceptorships are important for several reasons, but the most important is that the partnership between MEDSIR and Oncoclínicas has created this program of preceptorship to share our excellence in clinical research and education. Another important point for this preceptorship is that we can meet and introduce ourselves because we can share our experience and our knowledge, and we can convince medical oncologists from other parts of the world that if they have good ideas, MEDSIR has the tools to develop these ideas and to bring these ideas to life.